What's up, everybody? How are you? How are you? This is Cathy McReynolds, your fun, money, and skill coach, guys. As you come on, say hello so I can say hello back to you. Today, we're going to talk about how to create an online course business even without tech, marketing, or sales experience, and how you can tap into a $355 million a day business. I'm excited to share with you guys today. We're going to give you a few minutes to go ahead and get on. We're going to get started in a few seconds, guys. If this is your first time tuning in, we want to say hello. We're excited to have you here today. We're going to share with you how you can grow your course business online. Even if you, if you even never done one before and you showed up here wondering if this is for you, I want you to stick around because we're going to share with you how you can create a business for yourself. So say hello so that we can say hello back to you and we can go ahead and get things started for you today, guys. We are excited about helping you get that started. So let me go ahead and get the music off and get the recording going so that we can get things moving for you. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. This is going to be exciting. We are definitely going to help you get your course business started today. So make sure you come on and say hello. Drop any questions you have in the comments. We will cover those at the end as we go through this. And so I'm excited to be able to help you guys get things started for yourself. So, okay, guys, we are about to start in a few seconds here. I'm going to go ahead and get things started. Let me get my full screen up here so that I can share with you guys. All righty, well, let's go ahead and get started. Again, my name is Cathy McReynolds, your fun, money, and skill coach. In a few minutes, you'll discover the secret to creating an online course business, even if you have no experience before, or you want to grow your brand. We're going to show you how to do that as well, even without marketing or tech skills or experience. And I'm going to also share with you why you want to tap into this $355 million a day industry. You're about to discover one really old and kind of scarcely underused hack that's been around for years. This hack has enabled thousands to create workshops, masterminds, group seminars, and online courses. It also will show you how to acquire specialized knowledge by tapping into these different courses. It looks like, okay, so I gotta make sure, guys, I don't know if I'm seeing it or if you're, okay, we are there. I just wanted to make sure that it was converting there and you are with me, but I see that you are. But we're going to show you how to acquire specialized knowledge by tapping into the courses so that you can create the one that you desire. Most people have acquired knowledge along the way, yet they are very unaware of how they can use it to create 6- or 7-figure or 8-figure online businesses. And you see, I've acquired some specialized knowledge myself from years of reading, watching, listening, going to seminars, and implementing the strategies I've learned, and so can you. I just want you to know that you can do the same thing. Little did I know that those hours of digesting all that incredible knowledge and training others over the last 25 years would lead me to a dream career, one where I get to help others and discover and share their gifts, talents, knowledge, and experience with the world, and be able to create a business that will give you the lifestyle that you desire. See, guys, I got this message from I think it was Google Timeline. It was kind of cool, but kind of weird at the same time. Back in last year, back in 2018, they sent me something that said, "Hey, Cathy, here's your 2018 timeline. See the places that you visited in 2018 and where you've been." So it said I've been to 19 places in one other country besides the one that I lived in, and all of that was because of this course business that I'm in. Would you like to know my hack? I want to share that with you. I want to show you how you too can use the awesome knowledge, talent, and skills that you've already acquired and become a top course influencer, one that people are excited to buy from and refer others to. See, guys, maybe you're a yoga teacher and you're really, really good. There's a yoga teacher who had a baby, got pregnant, and she peed in her pants, and she just happened to be recording when she peed in her pants, and she decided to share how not to pee in your pants after you have a baby. And because of that, it made her millions of dollars. I mean, think about that. How crazy is that? So no matter where you're at, you could be a hairstylist. I mean, we have tons of hairstylists who go on to show other people either how to open up their own salon or specialized skills that they use, and they make money. Bricklayers, entrepreneur, maybe you're an MLM, stay-at-home mom or dad, baker, dancer. Maybe you do QuickBooks, or you're a tax advisor. You could be an insurance financial advisor. You could be a college professor, pre-K teacher. It doesn't matter who you are, as long as you've acquired a skill. I'm talking social workers, CEOs, franchise owners, doctors, lawyers. If you already have a skill, we want to show you how to use that. The knowledge you have acquired, someone somewhere will be willing to pay you for it so that they can cut off years of their learning curve and create the success that they desire and truly deserve, as well as you. So let me share with you how you can get in before it's oversaturated. But before I do that, I want to let you know who this webinar is for, guys. Anyone who's considering themselves as an expert and they want to educate people, you're in the right place. Anyone who has knowledge that someone else would want to learn, or that person who wants to impact others and get paid more, you definitely showed up to the right place today. So you could be that normal, everyday, average person with an idea or a specialized talent or gift to share with the world, and you are in the right place. But I also like to say who this is not for, okay? I think that's important, guys. If you're looking for something that's a get-rich-quick thing, you might as well go ahead and turn this off now and save yourself the time. If you're not willing to put in time and effort to create success, or you love to complain and blame and not willing to invest in your future, or you just a freebie seeker, or that person who likes to take and not give, you definitely don't want to waste your time nor ours by watching this webinar. If you're still here, then congratulations. I want you to watch this webinar until the end, and so that you can discover 3 things that we're really going to focus on today. We're going to show you the fastest way to create a profitable course. We're also going to show you how to get high quality leads and customers using live videos and ads, and how to use a talent or skill that you already have. Guys, focus. I want you to get rid of distractions that you may have. I mean, this is going to be really important to you today. These strategies can literally change your life. I'm also going to give you a free bonus gift and a chance for us to work together at the end. I don't want you to miss any crucial parts of this. I want you to stay focused. You know what? Do it for your families. Just turn your cell phone off, unless you're watching this on your cell phone. If not, if you are on your cell phone and you have a computer or laptop and you can get to that, make sure you go ahead and hop on that. Just keep it running on your phone until you can get on that. You're going to get a much better view. Stop checking email, stop texting. Just give me your complete attention, because I promise you, if you let it and if you're ready, this can change your life. Also, just because you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one of our signature group course guides. It's a fast start guide to creating a signature course and to get it off the ground. There's 4 lessons that you're going to get from that course to help you get started today when you download it. Lesson number 1 is going to involve you imagining your future. We're going to have you literally create 101 things that you do before you die. That is so important, more important than anything that I'm going to tell you, because the reason why you're going to work and go out there and do the things that you need to do is so that you can create the lifestyle. You may think it's for the course, but we found that successful people work for different reasons. You're also going to learn in there lesson 2 of how to creating service and significance, to make sure that you know how to make someone feel that you're doing something especially for them so that they can get the value out of it. Lesson 3 in that is the secret course and challenge formula. You're going to learn how to decide who you're getting your course for, where you're going to find them, the bait that you're going to use, and the results that you can get. This is a quick start guide just to kick it off the ground for you. In lesson 4, we're going to show you how to create your value ladder of service so that you can predetermine what you're going to offer to people. My goal is to help you eliminate the worries that you may have when it comes to creating your own course, and show you how to create a signature course, teaching something that you already know, guys, and you can ethically charge $1,000 to $8,000 or more for, without, like, get this, without any tech sales or sales skills, and definitely without being strapped to your computer every day. I remember when I got started online, I always had the line that I am high touch, not high tech. I absolutely knew nothing about how to do all the stuff that I've learned over the last couple years and fell in love with. And that's why I'm teaching others, because I know so many people have a gift that they want to give, but they're afraid that they can't do it. I want you to take some time and imagine the most amazing results you could get for your future customers. And then I want you to ask yourself this: what one big problem can you solve for them? How can you help them? And then imagine how they're going to feel about it. Like when you help someone change their life, I want you just to see them in that change state. You can even close your eyes for a second. I have my eyes closed while I'm even saying this to you. And I want you to say, how would it make you feel to solve that problem? If you want to drop that in the comments, drop it in the comments. How would it feel? What problem would you solve? And how would it feel to help someone solve that problem? And guys, then you get the chance, because you help someone, you get the chance to earn an extra $1,000 to $4,000 on average, or even higher per customer. I want you to meet some of our past students and what they had to say in other courses that we had. Welby was recognizing someone else saying, great job, I did the challenge myself last month and really enjoyed the experience. Arlene said, Cathy, she's amazing when it comes to empowering you with the tools needed to succeed, not only on online, but in all you do. And James said, I just want to say, Cathy, you're an awesome coach and mentor, and thanks for all your trainings. You're always pushing others to be the best. I think that's awesome, and congratulations to you all. So I can't wait to hear what you're going to say. And just a bit of fair warning, guys, I don't know how long this video will be online. I'm going to give you away so much free and hard to find course creation strategies that I may end up making this a paid presentation. So watch this now while it's still online and it's still free. Now, you may think you've seen and heard it all when it comes to creating courses, yet I guarantee you that you've never seen these little known course creation tips before. This is entirely different. It's nothing like the popular create a course hacks you may have seen or even tried. So be prepared to be shocked by what I reveal to you today. I'm going to tell you some stuff that's pretty embarrassing and some things that you need to know. And remember, what I'm sharing with you will finally allow you the freedom of creating your course without worrying if anyone will buy it. Quickly, painlessly, in a unique way that's actually fun to do. See, I remember the time that we had an office and we were training a lot of people and we were building a team. We used to have so much fun, and I find that when you have a lot of fun and you're trying to learn something and get something done, you literally catch on quicker. And even if you're wondering what will I teach you, you know, I gave you, no matter where you're at now, we're going to help you with that. Or you might even be wondering what to name your course. So let me share a few ideas just to get you thinking as we go along with this. So grab a pen and paper. You can always drop it in the comments. I'm going to give you some course titles, and I'm also going to give you some ideas on how you can actually put a course together. So knitting made easy, anything made easy. It could be cooking made easy, web design made easy. So made easy is the end part of something that you can use and put your talent right in front of it. Website content creation 101. So what